As a physical therapy student, the biomechanics of all the joints can be confusing, especially just looking at the words on the slide. So I found using a skeletal model was super helpful for bringing all the concepts to life. So we're going to look at the convex on concave rule first. All this is referring to is which structures are moving on what. So with the glenohumeral joint, the convex humerus is moving on the concave glenoid fossa. So the roll will be opposite of the glide. So think about in terms of where the bone is going. So this skeletal model only does abduction. So if the bone is coming to the side, it's going up, whereas the joint is moving inferior. So always think about which structures are moving on which, and that'll make it a lot easier than just memorizing all the concepts. Now I'm going to turn the skeleton around here. Now we'll look at a concave on convex joint. So looking at the radiohumeral joint where the radius articulates with the humerus for elbow flexion specifically, you can see the bone is moving anterior. And since it's concave on convex, it's going to be an anterior glide too. So if you get confused with which structures, if it's concave or convex on concave, all of that, just think about which structures are surrounding the joint and what's moving on what, and that'll make it a lot less confusing.